Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you how to create Varo bank account online. Firstly, go to varomoney.com in your web browser. On this page, add your email address and click on the Get $50 button. Next, add your information, including your email address, US mobile number and password, and confirm the password. Also, accept the given terms and conditions to continue. Next, your personal information, including your name, occupation, and country of citizenship. Click on Next to proceed further. After that, you will be asked to set up your mailing address. That includes your city, state, zip code, and complete address. The next step is to verify your identity by providing your social security number or individual taxpayer ID along with your date of birth. After that, you will need to add a savings account. And once you are done, your request for account creation will be sent successfully. Thanks for watching, leave a like, and subscribe.